Man, I am pissed. But hey, this is the Side Hustle Survivalist, helping you to thrive and survive. What am I upset about? Government regulation, people. Well, government regulation has now gotten into our gas cans. Those new fangled little things that they put on gas cans that you have to hold your tongue just right, stand on one foot and jump up and down, and then you got to try to get this button and this button before the freaking fuel will even come out. Well, I got a solution for you. Easy pour standards. You can I picked these up at Atwood's, but you can also order them online, and also Tractor Supply has them. So what it is, you go ahead and you take that other spout off of your gas tank, you throw that thing away.
Pretty much means you're trash.
Because it doesn't work. And you put this on, because all it is you take the little cap off and pour, and that's it. That's the way it used to be. It's funny how that's the way it used to be for the last 200 years. And it seemed to work out just fine, but till just the last 20 or 15, 20 years, they think they have to safety regulate everything. And it's just, it just upsets the Side Hustle Survivalist, because we try to keep things simple. And this does make it more simple, but again, I have to go and I have to spend money to correct the problem that the government made in the first place. So what do? You go and you get this, the Easy Pour. You can order it on Amazon, Tractor Supply, Atwood's. You take that off, this already have one on here, but then your jug's gonna look like that, and you take the new one and you just stick it on like that. And that's it. It has a little cap that you put on here. Did you get to see that? Did you see that? That little cap? Isn't that cute? Anyway, put that on. Now, here's the thing you gotta do. See this little air vent? You know, the new spouts and everything have the air vent built into the spout, and it bubbles and just goes everywhere. Get you a 1/2-inch drill bit. You come back here and you drill a hole in the top of your gas can, and inside that Easy Spout comes that. You put that on there, take a hammer, boop, pop it once, it's in there, and then you have your air spout. So it doesn't have to bubble and spew everywhere, and it flows out just fine. Now, I will say that they came out with these several years ago, and you cannot find these anymore. These actually work pretty good on the big wide spout ones. And so you just push that, you pull that down, and your thumb may get a little bit tired, but these work pretty good on larger equipment and everything along those lines. So I didn't mind these. All right, not a bad deal. But again, because they thought this may be unsafe, you cannot find these anymore. So that's why I'm upset. That's why the Side Hustle Survivalist tries to find things to make your life a little bit simpler. Make things simpler for me, that's for sure. And hopefully somebody will get something out of it. Again, you can find that online. You can go somewhere, make your life a little bit easier, ladies and gentlemen. So hit that like and subscribe button, hit that share and that bell notification also, and get these out to people. God bless, take care.